guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I greet you now this wonderful Thursday afternoon from the home of equality and justice. I greet you now with better style. I just laugh. Sorrows and pains everywhere. Sorrow and pain everywhere. Sorrow, very great sorrow and pain everywhere. Coming out from our land. From Benin, Ataga, Pupu Yeke. You be big disgrace to Edo women wey get belle. Let me tell you, say you be big disgrace. You dey break some laws about the sacredness of pregnant women. You born first one. Your stupid boy you put for house not fit get the compression to put you to order. Now so take noise, stay carry that one life. Now put that for one corner. It never grew, but all those trauma when they carry those children, they pass through, go come to show later in life. That one still they grow. Now born the other two. Now saga. Mike, German government, what do you know they do? German government, what I live rich outside, they make the constitute nuisance for a society like that. Benefits supposed to be for good thing, but now to be madness. To help people come be crime. The man come lazy. Can't they confused? Can't they stupid? They say, now so life go there always. Constituting nuisance always. They traumatize children yet unborn. They traumatize unborn children. Woman get belle. Richard, you not get respect to stop saga. Make you say because of your children, make you stop saga. The first advise you say no. When you go collect last, when you go collect last, so we'll be here. And they tell you, at the chest time, they tell you, I test you, Richard, any day, anytime. Come carry pillow, the beat chair. I go break you any day, anytime. Any day, anytime, for anywhere for the world. Because you be bad pikin. Born by a bad Esan woman, now you be bad pikin, very evil child. That's what you are. Because your case, it don't fool me. I don't tire for your matter. I'm not gonna lie you. People they vex for you a lot, but me they tell you say your matter. You could just sit down without your palo. People here can go there. You need even they consider say this woman get belly. She not even they consider herself. She go where Agbada they do saga because she want meet Mrs. Yobosa. He want compete with Mrs. Yobosa. You know say Mrs. Yobosa not pregnant. Now she get belly. Now she they do saga. What a waste! All this on our video. At the end of the day, the government will take those children from her hand. I promise you that. You just say we not fit the right email. We can do it. But we'll say, make we see the advice to them, make we get sense. I can write email to all the authorities in Germany there. From my house in Italy, I'll be sending mails. I will send our videos to them. They're going to watch you. They are good in doing that. They will seize that children from the hand. You first give them food eat for table for ordinary table. What was that? Incompetence parents. Incompetency on your part of being a good parent. What if you go buy small thing and where you can't get put? When would they tell on that time say that thing was wrong? Una so na get set by you can't go saga people. And you be the most swagalicious, sagalistic man on earth, Richard Usadeye, who the gods wants to kill, they first make crazy. Who the gods wants to kill, they first make crazy. They don't make you and your stupid baby mama crazy. When this on the rain, when they get views, you go to TikTok, you fight. Can you fight everybody? Can you fight the truth? Richard, can you fight the truth? Can you fight the truth? You they say you they talk truth now. I laugh at you, sorrows and pains, according to Elder. And Omofuma, I laugh at you. We hand will touch you. We hand will touch you. And they'll come, they say, una lack understanding of life. So painful. You cannot succeed this way. You cannot succeed this way, Richard. View they freak you. Views. Now view they freak you. Views that they watch your stupidity. You're happy that you're exhibiting this foolishness with the world. You're happy. What a shame and disgrace. You know, I will speak from the philosophical angle. It's a shame upon the black race. Very big disgrace. Not be you be the first, not be you go be the last. It's a painful thing I've really observed about the black race. We are the least of the least race, but most of our people don't even want to help themselves. They don't just want to get common sense. This common sense is not common. It show, if there is anything say common sense is not common, it is show from the house of that stupid ability. That stupid boy. That boy is so annoying. That boy, if I see that boy any day, anytime, I go enter and pass. If I see that Richard Usadeye any day, anytime, I go enter and pass for his nuisance. I go give my laws where it break upon this earth. Natural laws where it break. You go get subsection 1, subsection 2, constitution. I go formulate them for a head. I will penalize her. I will put them. Then I will sentence her to what I find I want enough. Seriously. The people will not want to hear the truth. That is just a fact. They don't want to hear the truth. What is wrong with you now? The truth. No agree, understand the truth anymore. Richard. Bukbuyeke. They reign. They want strength. Unto what? Unto abusing unborn children. What a shame and disgrace. This one I give you this afternoon, Richard. So painful for your Matasha. So painful. So painful. You go the rake. You see me they give your name to police. I just go through, make a look at the apple. Some Igbo guys, we are worried about you. You put their pictures to their page. Because they abuse their children. You say when they give your name to police there. When they give your name to police there, Richard, if they give your name to police there, what you know how many people will handle your case, your matter? You know how many people they handle your matter? Now let me they talk. I just tell you, you know people will handle your matter. They pass 2,000. When hand will touch you one day, there will be no hiding place for you. Just enjoy your cruise as long as it lasts. And they enjoy them. If that woman, that stupid Bukbuyeke, now she I go to insult because now woman, now the correct house. That one not just get direction. She don't get focus. She's so stupid. Now make her try call her Bukbuyeke. And now that name, Bukbuyeke, now you be idiot, goat. We go lick vomit. Who give you Bukbuyeke? Now they come and now they settle on a marriage. They settle on a marriage you never even be. What a useless people. If you see the vessel now, I have a lot to say. A lot. What is wrong with you people? After we give us DNA, you not bring her. They go recruit Richard, make all this block. Richard, how long can you block? You cannot block. 2 million. You think say 2 million, I go solve this one. 2 million bribe where they go see your mouth, or go they punish your head. Go they buy you. Who be Papa Wahala? Papa Wahala is a fraudulent guy who is celebrating mediocrity. Who they celebrate mediocrity? Who they get support for medocrats? You steal people common resources. They go build filling station. Some idiot here where they don't tire for island. Where they don't hand market don't beat. Because they tell us say those are role models. Unto what? Then you're not focused. You're not focused. I've been a IK, Ikolo, where they share a video and after you beat her, water. Beat the papa bearer, beat her. What is this incomprehensiveness among these idiots? All of them now story there for my hand. Because now you they share a picture, a video now if you get view, it don't arrive. You see view, it is competitive at the video yesterday where you do a battle. How many view there? You won't be 1 million. Boy, go and sit down. You're a learner. You're still a learner. A very big one for that matter. Small boy. You just as you just small rich. You do go there for camera. You turn face. You want fine. You want to be no celebrity. IK Kulu. What a shame and disgrace. Sorrows and pains from the home of equal rights and justice. IK. You be sorrow and pain. Who I want to talk to? Ajetoto, Ajekbako. We say if a woman, her husband not fuck her, make them come, make them book her for hotel, make it go fuck. That one taboo to the land. I've been at Domumu, Uhunda, with the big head, with the breast. That one go they talk. Men without principle. Men when they wave up and down. Una will always be the last receiving end without honor, without being consistent in a fight, a struggle you believe in. That's what people like me does. We believe in a cause with a finisher. We know the wave. We don't wave. Once we believe in this thing, we stand by it. We don't wave. If now only one person there, will they talker, they go. Because truth must always be told. There will be the last people who will talk the truth. Thank God for the great ones we see today. But these idiots, where they find views, money for Facebook, because of stupid money for Facebook. All of the Jews, they find a way to get association with the evil camp. Make them they share video, get views. We don't care. Me personally, I don't care. I never came here saying I view at the fire. My wallet, na gidigba. It too tight. Now we say shoe bed, mama fly. This wallet is a whole bar, big bar. Now we Facebook give me. Who the bicycle? IK, Ikolo, Dominion Talk Show. Take that small rat enter house. Take that small rat enter house. Take that small rat enter house. Take that small rat to make it enter house. It's a rat, it's a boy, it's a baby. It's a baby. Take that small boy, make it enter house. You don't see warfare. Take that small boy, make it enter house. Anytime I come out to talk, I know they come every time, but anytime I come out to talk, if I give message, make that message sink, make it sink deep down. Tell that rat, that church rat, that small boy, we don't know what to be anything. Make it enter house. He not get where he day, he not get where he belong to. He's still a baby into anything where he say he belong to. He's a baby. I will tell he got father for where he belong to. Make it pin and down. They go flog her for me. He's a baby. Why did they worry that small boy? We want to be overnight, and you. As you just white full ground, Dominion Talk Show. As you white full ground, At this level, you operate. At this level, this frequency, you dwell in. You want to Facebook money every day. I don't become fake. You want who be that small half man? Which word you get from math? What do you want to deliver to the world? Where we never hear before. What did that one want talk? What did that one want impart? What did he get to change the world? Even though Milakim, they share the idiot video. Don't you see how evil they be? Omilakim, now you the share. IK part 1. Ogun de pa IK. IK, you are a stupid boy. You the Chris. Now me and the Omofuma, I go chest you, I go mash you pass. I go mash your head pass. Any day, anytime. We'll be tied you a billion times. You're very stupid. Yeah, boy. Make a change for your topic. Mama Joy. Mama Joy. Now me and the Omofuma, they chant for here. Now me the talker. That your pay show is null and void. It is null and void. You try that pay show, you collect water every day, and the pay show will be on air. If you go do one, we'll broadcast them on air. After that, you will collect water on this side, those cyberspace. Now, what I promise you. Have a nice day, my people.